the smaller one, the sheen one.
Yeah. If I was to get one of those two, I was always on the I was like, do I really need one of those? Yeah. So now I'm definitely getting one.
Yeah.
I don't know which one's gonna be. Both of them were pretty dope. Both of them were really fun.
These things like to throw the brass around here in the